Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to teach you about cleaning copper cookware. Copper cookware is so beautiful. A lot of people have it hanging above the islands in their kitchen. I think it looks really good. It's a nice classic metal. The bad thing is it's soft and it can discolor easily if you have it out in the open. You know, it oxidizes. So what you want to do when it starts to get discolored is grab a lemon and salt. You want to cut the lemon open. Sprinkle some salt. Here, let's turn it this way so the salt will catch. This is just a little baking dish that I have right here, but it is copper. Use the lemon as the sponge and the salt as the abrasive substance, the abrasive material, whatever you want to call it. And you just scrub just like that. If you have a piece of cookware that is really detailed and maybe has some cracks and crevices and things like that, or certain spots that are a little more stubborn, grab your ketchup. Ketchup has vinegar in it, and since it's thick, it'll stay in one spot. So put the ketchup on there, kind of rub it in with your finger, and let it sit there until it dries. After that, grab a wet sponge and just kind of buff it off. This is excellent for cleaning copper. It works for copper jewelry, copper cookware, any kind of copper that you have around the house. Ketchup is awesome. And it's as easy as that. It's very inexpensive and it's very simple. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean copper cookware.